We have the question here. Find the equation of right bisector of the line segment joining the points this and this. So here we have a line and the points on this line is 1, 2 and 5, comma minus 6. We need the equation of this line which is right bisector. Means first thing, it will pass through the midpoint M. We need to find out the midpoint M, which will, the line will pass from that, and the required line will be perpendicular to this given line. So first thing, I will find out the slope of this line and then I can write the slope of this line. So slope of line passing from, I can take this as AB and this as CD. Okay, so here slope of line AB, what we can do, minus 6 minus 2 over 5 minus 1, or it will be minus 8 by 4, which is minus 2. So slope of line CD, slope of line, because these two are perpendicular, so the slope will be negative reciprocal. I will change the sign and I will flip it. So slope of the line CD is this. Now I need to find out the M, point M. So midpoint, using midpoint formula, I can write 1 plus 5 by 2, comma 2 minus 6 by 2. So here 6 by 2 is 3 and this is minus 4 by 2, which is minus 2. Now using this slope and this point, I can use the point slope formula to write the equation of the line. So using the point slope formula, I will have y minus y1. y1 is minus 2 equals to m. m is your 1 upon 2 x minus x1. x1 is 3. So here I can write y plus 2 and this 2 is multiplied on this side. It will be x minus 3. Now I can write 2y plus 4 equals to x minus 3, or I am taking y on that side and this minus 3 on this side. So 7 equals to x minus 2y. So this is the required answer. We have the question here, if the line, here this is the line, is perpendicular bisector of the line segment PQ and the coordinate of P is given, we need to find out the coordinate of Q. So here we have a line PQ. P coordinate is given 1, 3. We need to find out the coordinate of Q. We can take it as AB. Now here one line segment is there, x minus 4y minus 6 equals to 0. Now this is perpendicular bisector. If it is perpendicular bisector, then it will pass from the midpoint of PQ. If I take the midpoint of PQ is M, then this line is passing through this, first thing this, and second thing, the slope of PQ and the slope of this line will be negative reciprocal to each other. So from these two things we will solve the problem. So first thing, we need to find out the slope of PQ. Slope of PQ will be B minus 3 over A minus 1. Now slope of line x minus 4y minus 6. Okay, so I need to solve it for y. X minus 6 equals to 4y, or I can write y equals to x by 4 minus 6 by 4. So the slope of this line will be 1 by 4. So here you will get 1 by 4 as your slope. Now because these two lines are your perpendicular, so the product of these two slope will be equal to minus 1. So I can write 1 upon 4 multiplied with b minus 3 over a minus 1 will be equal to minus 1. Now 4 I am multiplying on that side and this a also I am multiplying on that side. So b minus 3 equals to minus 4 a minus 1, and solving this I will get b plus 4a. This will be minus 4a. It comes here, it will be plus 4a. This will be minus 3 and here you will get minus 4 and this will go there. So you will have minus 4, sorry, this will be plus 4 and plus 3, or you can write it as 7. So b plus 4a equals to 7 is your first equation. Now we come on next. Here we need to find out the midpoint of PQ. So midpoint of PQ will be your 1 plus a upon 2 and 3 plus b upon 2. Now this midpoint is also passing from that line, so this midpoint will satisfy that line also. So in place of x, I can write 1 plus a upon 2 minus 4 y we have. In place of y I am writing 3 plus b by 2 equals to minus 6 equals to 0. Now solving this, I am just multiplying everything with 2. So here I will get 1 plus a minus 4, 3 plus b minus 12 equals to 0. Solving this, I will get a minus 4b, and from here 1, and this will be minus 12 and minus 12. So 1 plus minus 12 will be minus 23, and that side it will go, so it will be plus 23. This is your equation 2. Now from equation 2 and equation 1, if you will use elimination or substitution method, you can solve it for a and b. So a will be your 3 and b will be your minus 5. Now, so our required answer is 3 minus 5.